As you can see here, the apparatus that I have taken is a 80 ml beaker filled with 80 ml of water. You can look here that the water level here is 80 ml. Next, we have taken salt, and to stir we have a spoon. The procedure for the activity is, I am going to take 1 spoonful of salt. These salt particles are solid. We know that beaker is filled with water and water particles are liquid. This salt is going to get dissolved in the water, as you can see. And I am going to stir it slowly. We will let it dissolve properly. As you can observe, the salt has dissolved in the water. Again, let us observe the level of the water in the beaker. Here you can look that the level of the water did not increase, it remained same, 80 ml. Thus, we can prove by this that water particles had some space between them, and in that space the salt particle took its space. And this process we say as dissolving of salt. And also we can prove by this that water particles had space between them. Thus, matter have space between them. Thank you.
To enroll in the classroom program of Bunique Academy, you can contact to the details given on the screen and in the description box. Hoping that this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, press the like button. Also do share it with your friends. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for being updated with more videos. Thank you.